Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Paul's Lock Shop here in northern Alberta. And it's not frozen. It is a beautiful day. Sun is shining. Birds are singing. It's about 22 degrees Celsius. Beautiful day. And it's Mother's Day. And Mama's got to work, so it means I get to play in a lock shop. So Bill Bacardi sent me a package there a little while back. Fantastic. Can't thank you enough, Bill. So, in, I guess, fine fashion, we're going to try and pick number 212, Bill Bacardi's 212. It's a Sergeant Keyway. Look at that bitting. I mean, doesn't get much better than that for a challenge lock, and this thing works like butter. I mean, just smooth, not a hang up hitch anywhere. So we're going to try this. I got a 50 thousandths pry bar, top of the keyway tension. We're going to apply to this, and I am going to try and pick this clockwise. So you can see I put a mark on the lock here, a little marker I can wipe off afterwards. And anyway, we're going to give it the old-fashioned try here. Number 6 gave us, look, false set. Move through the pin stack, see if we can find some counter on something. And we got counter on 1. Click out of 1, lost a big part of the false set, but it's 3, we click out of that, tiny bit of a false set there, but not much. Bouncing through the pin stack here, looking for some feedback. 5 and 6 gave us a false set back again. A little bit bigger false set on 4. Let's look for some counter here. Really light tension right now. That was number 2, a little bit of a bigger false set. Ooh. We got buddy, we had to put some tension on that. Wow, that was number 1. Got a pretty decent false set going on here now, as you can probably see. Now we gotta find everything is trying to find something with some counter. I got pretty light tension on this. Oh. Well, kind of surprises you got in here, Bill. Got some counter going off on this one. Almost. got a click out of it, and still got the counter rotate or the false set going. We got this one here is providing us some. Oh, I got virtually no tension on this. So that number one. Oh, we got her open. We got an open. Look at that. Wow. Bill, that was woo, something else, my friend, something else. We're going to try and keep this in frame here because I want to do a gutting on this, and we're going to move the vise back and keep that in frame. Bring the pinning block forward here. And we'll see if we can't get a better view of this and try and keep this all in frame. Maybe we'll do it this, no, it's not going to work. And we'll bring you guys down and let you see all this. Excited, I can't believe I got that. That was awesome. That was awesome, Mr. Bacardi. That was awesome. Okay, let's see. Get a screwdriver here and take. Oh, big hands are in the way. We'll do this a little awkwardly. Oh. I don't know if you guys can see this. Trying to. That's the first time I had to do a gutting on video, guys, so forgive me. Try not to block the video here. Get these screw. Yeah. What we got? My big old hands get in the way here. Okay, we got it open, so we're just gonna turn it 90 degrees. I use this short put that right there. Right here for now. And let's see. We've got number one. Wow, the T-pin. Looks like a standard. And 3. We got a torpedo in 3. Serrated in 4. Serrated in 5. And number 6. We have a standard, I think. Awesome. We'll get a close-up for you guys here in a second. We'll just orient these pins. Wow. Okay, let's see what's in the Bible. We'll start at number 1. Oh. Serrated there. Came out that way. Number 2. Wow. That's some length in that pin. That's why I had to put so much pressure on it, Bill. We got a tapered driving pin there. This one here, that's in number 2, has got a serration in it, and it's tapered, so just take another look at that. Oh, some nice pin work there. And here we go. Look at this. Wow. That's a nice pin, Bill. Let's go to the back of the lock here now. Start number 6. Wow, the length of some of these pins is something else, man. Wow. And number 5, look at this short one here. Man. It goes that way. Came out that way. Now, the springs I am assuming are all the same. They look to be at all the same level, but we'll check them out here anyway. We'll do number 6. Oh, it's a steel spring. Oh. Oh, a copper spring. Oh, they're all different. Number 4. Oh, it's a shorter one. Copper. Number 3, it's a long one. Number 2. And number 1. Oh yeah, all different springs. Let's see if there's anything, any mods done. We got a flashlight that works. I can't see. Oh, sorry guys, it's my first time doing this. I don't see any modifications up top in the Bible. That's beautiful. And where did we go with the core? Here we go. Oh, we got some, I don't know if you guys can see that, some counter milling. On one. Two and 3, and it looks like 5, I think. Bill, man, that was a wicked challenge lock. Thank you so much for the package. Thank you so much for the challenge lock. I will reassemble this and I will get it off to somebody else. And thank you very much. Peace out, everyone. Peace and love be with you. May your camel always stand downwind.